In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Metatrader 4 demo account. If you're just getting started with trading or you want to test a new strategy safely, a demo account is the perfect sandbox. It mirrors real market conditions, but uses virtual funds so you can learn the platform and practice without risk. Start by opening Metatrader 4 on your computer. Once MT4 loads, go to the top menu, click File, and then choose Open an Account. If you prefer, you can also find the Accounts section in the Navigator panel on the left. Right-click it, and select Open an Account from there. Both paths take you to the same setup window. Next, you'll see a list of servers. Select a demo server that belongs to your broker. Demo servers are usually clearly labeled and are separate from live servers, so make sure you pick the one that specifically mentions demo. Choosing the correct server ensures your connection works and that your virtual balance is assigned correctly. Now choose New Demo Account and click Next. This tells MT4 you're creating a fresh practice profile, not logging into an existing one. You'll be asked to fill in some basic personal details. This information helps create your demo profile, but it's not tied to real funds. You will also select your leverage and your initial deposit, which are your virtual funds for practice. Leverage determines how much market exposure you can control relative to your balance. For beginners, a moderate leverage level makes it easier to understand how price movements affect your equity without exaggerated swings. Your initial deposit defines the starting size of your demo account. Pick an amount that resembles what you might realistically use later. That way, your practice results will feel more relevant to your future trading. When you're ready, click Next or Finish. MT4 will generate your demo credentials and display your login, password, and the server name. Save these details in a secure place. Even though it's a demo, you'll need them if you switch devices or reconnect later. Don't share your credentials publicly. At this point, you're automatically logged into your new demo account with virtual funds. You should see your balance and account number in the terminal or navigator area, and a connection status in the corner of the platform. From here, you can explore charts, try out indicators, and place practice orders to understand how entries, exits, and risk management work. Use this time to build confidence, test strategies, and learn how position size and leverage affect your account. When you're comfortable, you'll be much better prepared to transition to live trading.